Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create websites in Canva step by step. So if you want to build a portfolio, business page, personal website, or landing page without coding, yeah, Canva makes the whole process really simple even for beginners. First, open Canva in your browser and sign in to your account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free in just a few minutes. Now click the search bar and type website, so Canva will show different website templates you can customize. Next, choose a template that fits your style or project. I mean, using templates saves a lot of time and gives your site a more professional look right away. When everything looks good, click Publish Website. Canva lets you use a free Canva domain or connect your own custom domain. After publishing, you can share the website link anywhere and update the design whenever you want. So Canva automatically updates the live site after republishing, and that's basically how to create websites in Canva from start to finish. After a little practice, you'll be able to design clean and professional websites without needing any coding experience.